Yes, sir.
Okay, page number. Still you could not find page number. What is triangle? In which page triangle starts? Everyone start to do. Okay. Page number. You open page number 12. This is experiment number 3. Everyone start to do. Start. Experiment number 3, page number 12. Experimentally verify that the line joining the vertex and the midpoint of the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular. First of all, you have to draw 3 isosceles triangle. So you look the step there. Draw 3 isosceles triangle XYZ having different sizes. Number 2, find the midpoint of the base YZ in each triangle. YZ. In YZ, you have to find midpoint. Midpoint means what? What do you mean by midpoint? Tell me. What do you mean by
Center
midpoint?
point.
What do you mean by midpoint?
Center.
Yeah. YZ भन्ने साइड छ त्यो YZ भन्ने point को mid point भनेको middle point भनेको. Find middle point. Suppose YZ भनेको 6 सेन्टिमिटर छ भने त्यो P भन्ने point चाहिँ mid point हो. P भन्ने point चाहिँ 3 सेन्टिमिटरमा हुनुपर्छ. Everyone. त्यो हेरेर बस्ने मात्रै होइन. Everyone go on doing. Everyone start. Everyone start. Okay. Everyone start. Okay. Hey, look. Like this. You have seen 3 triangles in the screen. All of them are isosceles triangle. First figure, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. In that way, you have to draw. Everyone start. Hey, look the sign. There, xy equal to xz. In is triangle xy equal to xz. In first figure also xy equal to xz. In figure also xy equal to xz. In figure 3 also xy equal to xz. Okay, you draw the triangle. In every triangle, you find the midpoint of yz. Midpoint means middle point. Middle point of yz. And after that, join midpoint of the base YZ with the vertex X. Okay. Here one thing is missing here. Join the midpoint of the YZ, that is P. Join P and X. Join P with the vertex X. In each triangle, join P with the vertex X. In first figure also, in second figure also, in third figure also, in every figure. Are you doing? Everyone do? Yeah, go on doing. Immediately, do it. In the screen, you are looking to prepare this. It's very easy for you, but for me, it takes 1 hour to prepare this much. It's not easy to prepare. But it's easy for you. Okay, everyone, do immediately. Wait. Yeah, 1 second, look the steps. Draw 3 isosceles triangle XYZ having different sizes. They have not same size. And second step, find midpoint of the base YZ. Here YZ is taken as the base in his triangle. Midpoint means middle point. After that, join the midpoint. Midpoint is P. Join P and the vertex X. Another. Now after that, if you have completed to draw the triangles, measure angle XPY and angle XPZ in his triangle with the help of protractor and tabulate their measurement. Okay. As in the screen you look, 3 figures, but I have measured only from the first figure. Angle XPY, you measure with the help of protractor. Angle XPZ also with the help of protractor. And result, what you got the result? You mention in the result, angle XPY equal to angle XPZ equal to 90 degree. But you have to measure from second figure also and third figure also. This much? Yeah? Everyone? Oh dears, have you done this much?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Doing. यो पछि गरौँला भनेर बस्ने होइन, अहिले तुरुन्तै गरिहाल्ने. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. It will be difficult. Experimental verification is very important from the examination point of view. In book there is not conclusion भनेर लेखेको छैन. Conclusion is given in the caption, but you have to write the word conclusion also. It helps for higher class. You will do in the higher class like this. Conclusion: from the result of above table, we can conclude that the line joining the vertex and the midpoint of the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular भनेको they meet 90 degree at 90 degree. Perpendicular भनेको line joining the midpoint of base and the vertex, they meet at right angle. 90 degree, you are getting degree. So here XP is perpendicular to YZ. Chapale Magar, you have to draw from figure 2, figure 3 also. In the similar way. Okay. If so, then if you finish, I'll start another experiment. Experiment number 3. This is number 4. This is experiment number 3. Now the next experiment is experiment number 4. You can see at the bottom page number 12, experiment number 4. But there is written relation of the angles of an equilateral triangle. But here, okay, experiment number 4. I'll share another one. -60°, then they are equal. Okay, but here I found vertex here. I have given, but which file I have got here? Let's see another one. Actually, not this one. Tabulate their measurements means you have to tabulate a table below. So you look here, you can see here 3 figures. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Okay, you look. I am with the help of you look cursor here. Okay, first figure, all the 3 sides equal. In second figure, all the 3 sides equal. In third figure, all the 3 sides equal. So all of them are equilateral triangle. So having all sides equal, you can make having 3 centimeter all sides equal, or you can make having 4 centimeters all sides, or you can make having 4.5 centimeter all sides. Okay, like this. So you look, this is the column of figure, first column. In the table, figure of column of figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. And in second column, you write angle BAC. Angle BAC. Okay. Angle BAC. And third column, angle ABC. Fourth column, angle CB. And fifth column, result. Column of result. So, you measure all the angles with the help of protractor. Angle A means angle BAC. Angle B means angle okay. Angsa, what happened? Joining very late. Huh? What happened, Ansa? Okay. Hey, look.
Sir, can you give me link?
के को लिंक जहिले के को लिंक चाहिए लिंक फॉर व्हाट
Attendance, sir.
पहिले चाहिए you are only to attend to make attendance सिक्नु छैन के हाजिर गर्न मात्रै ह
Yes, sir.
अनि
Why के भएन सर?
यो पहिला गरेछ कि छैन पहिला यो गरेछ कि छैन सिक्नु
सर कपी गरेको छु मैले
सिक्नु त्यो कपी गरेर मात्रै हुन्छ यु हैव टु डु योरसेल्फ अहिले मेजर गरेर हेर्ने इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल तीनटा बनाउने बनाइहाल्ने
बनायो
बनाउने अब त्यसपछि यहाँ भनेको छ टेबल लुक टेबल हियर फिगर
60 डिग्री
कलममा सबैमा 60 डिग्री आउनु पर्यो अनि रिजल्ट 60 डिग्री आयो भने you can write here in the result angle BAC equal to angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to 60 degree result. यो त एउटा मात्रबाट मात्रै आउने रिजल्ट होइन सेकेन्ड फिगरमा पनि त्यसरी नै मेजर गर्ने थर्ड फिगरबाट पनि मेजर गर्ने बट फ्रम ऑल फिगर यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट सबैबाट एउटै रिजल्ट आउनु पर्यो अनि कन्क्लुजन इन कन्क्लुजन यू कैन राइट फ्रम द above result we can conclude that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree and each of them are equal. Like this you have to write. अहिले सिक्ने यो चाहिँ यहाँ जोइन गरेर यो एकछिन अलमलिने काम मात्रै होइन इट इज भेरी हेल्पफुल यु फर द हायर क्लास आल्सो ओके एभ्रीवन यो कम्प्लिट गर्ने एभ्रीवन डु कम्प्लिट एन्ड आफ्टर completing अब यस पछाडी चाहिँ एक्सरसाइज 2.1 को you can start अब त्यहाँनेर last time I have given you the homework assignment number 1 number A and B This time you can start number 2. You can start number 2.